Can we change scroll speed in OSU? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and let's learn if we can change scroll speed in OSU. So without further ado, let's begin. So you need to know that there is no built-in option to directly change the scroll speed in OSU. The game's mechanics are designed to maintain a consistent scroll speed for all players. However, increasing the difficulty of a map will generally make the nodes appear faster, giving a smaller or similar effect to increase scroll speed. You can also use modes. Some modes like double time or half time can alter the overall speed of the game. Double time makes everything twice as fast, while half time slows it down. You need to remember the key to success in OSU is not necessarily about changing the speed, but about adapting to the challenges presented and improving your skills. So, I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.